How to create PDF files from photos on your iPhone. If you want to turn one or more photos into a PDF file without installing any extra apps, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, select the photo or photos you want to convert into a PDF. Now tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Print. On the Print option screen, place 2 fingers on the photo preview and pinch out to open it as a PDF. Next, tap the Share button again in the bottom right corner. Choose Save to Files. Select the folder where you'd like to save the PDF, then tap Save. Your photos will now be saved as a single PDF file that you can share, email, or store for later use. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.